Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over how to cook a microwavable pizza. So less pizza for one, pepperoni, microwaves in 2 minutes. But let's see what else we can do. Because the one problem with these is that they come out all floppy when you cook them, and you don't want floppy pizza. You want firm pizza. So we're going to see what we can do for this. And you know what, personally, I think there's nothing better than a nice fire roasted pizza. So let's get on that. Alright guys, fire's ready. We've got the pizza. One fire roasted pizza coming right up.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh no. Oh no. I fear I have misjudged. This has all gone terribly wrong. Okay guys, we're back, and I remembered the most important thing in the world. Read the directions. And it's right there, step 1, remove frozen pizza from carton. We missed that step. That was probably why things didn't work out for us. So, we're going to try this again. So we need to get the pizza out of the box, and I can think of no better way to do that than with this machete right here. That'll open that box up. Well, maybe not. Maybe there's a better way to do this. Let me think. Oh, I know. Well, this won't do. The box won't stay still. Oh, I know. I have a solution for this. That'll be fine. Nothing to worry about there. Perfect. Okay, let's go back to what we were doing. Perfect. Aww. That didn't work so well. I really thought that was gonna work. Huh. Oh, I know. I have a better idea. Alrighty, let's do this. Oh, we're running into the same problem. The box won't stay still. Oh, wait a second. I know what'll work. Our trusty machete. Don't buy the machete, she said. You'll never use that machete, she said. Well, sweetheart, today you're wrong. Alright, so we've got our pizza secure. Let's get back to opening this box up. Is my battery dead? Really? Well, I mean, maybe we got it enough. Oh, we damaged it again. I really thought this was gonna work. Oh wait, I have another idea. Alright, now, before anyone goes off and says that I don't learn from my mistakes, I do. I know this box is gonna move the moment I try to open it. And that's why I've got a hatchet. There we go. All right, let's get to this. This is gonna work. That did not work. This is really disappointing. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to think about this and figure out the best way to get this box open. I've been thinking about this for a while now, and I do have another option. I'm just kidding, that'd be ridiculous. However, I could use excavator, backhoe. Excavator, backhoe. But what to choose, what to choose. Let's go with the green machine. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do. Sometimes just sitting out in nature gives me a new idea or perspective. Nope. What? I got a notification on my phone. Oh, come on! I am not going to do that! Alright, good to go. Take her back. Take her back. Right on in. That did not work. But will you look at that? Lift here to open. Well, don't I feel like an idiot? Well, now I just got to figure out the best way to cook this thing. A solution has been before me the entire time and I didn't realize it. I've got pizza. I've got grill. Fire grill. Fire-baked pizza. So, we're going to do this. I've already got it going, as you can see. So, I'm just going to take the pizza, put it right there, and check back in a few minutes. This is going to work.
A few moments later.
Well, as it turns out, pizza is flammable. I didn't realize that until today. So, henceforth let it be known that pizza is a flammable material. Science, ladies and gentlemen. Science. This is what I bring you. After some thinking and pondering, I thought maybe the solution is, well, less fire. Fireplace didn't work. The grill didn't work. So maybe this is the solution. Oh dear, the box is catching on fire. That's not good. I don't know what burning of those inks is going to do. Probably not a healthy thing. I mean, I'm trying to crisp up that edge real nice for me, but yeah, no, this is not going to work. I really thought this was going to work, but it didn't. Well, I think I might just have to use the microwave. Oh no, we can make this more cinematic. Tomorrow, and tomorrow, and tomorrow creeps in this petty pace from day to day, to the last syllable of recorded time, and all our yesterdays have lighted fools the way to dusty death. Out, out, brief candle. Life's but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and frets his hour upon the stage, and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. So here's the problem that we have. Our pizza's cooked, but it's all floppy. And we don't want floppy pizza. We want firm pizza. So, there's a solution for that. And here it is. This is an electric range from IKEA. I think it was like $50, but this is going to do exactly what we needed to do. The only other thing we need is a flat pan. So, let's get this going first. Let's get this turned on. We don't want to do it too high. 320 is good enough. And we're just going to take this and slide it right on. All this is going to do is just crisp up the bottom of the crust just enough to give us a little firmness. Let's go ahead and garnish this just a bit. And a touch of garlic. And now we just wait. It doesn't take more than a minute or two. You could turn the temperature up if you really wanted to, but see how this is still floppy? When we're done, that's going to get just slightly browned up, just enough to give us just a hint of crispiness, but not to burn the pizza. Now, I have found that this is where it gets kind of critical. Do not put this on and then run away and do something else. Because the range, the tolerance between just starting to firm up and be crispy and burnt is about 3 microseconds. Okay, it's a little longer than that. It's about 3 seconds. Well, no, maybe it's about 30 seconds, but it really is pretty close. And I just take it and usually do that a couple times to see how floppy it gets. Because once it started to brown up just a bit, the whole thing will kind of move as one unit instead of just rolling around. Starting to get there. See, it's not bending anymore. See how we're just starting to brown up right there? That's what we want. Don't want to cook it too much. Just enough to make it more like what we would get from the pizza shop. Okay. There we go. There's our pizza. Yeah, I've done this several takes. That's why we've got pizza still on this cutting wheel. If we lift it up, see if we can do this. You see that the bottom is just a little browned, just enough to give it some firmness. That's how you do it.